Would you like to be transported to India in a day? Hi, I'm Emily Sperling and I'll be giving you a taste of Ayurveda, which is the world's oldest healing science, in a half-day event right here on the Sunshine Coast. You'll be able to experience the ancient practices of pranayama or breathwork, yoga and meditation. Plus, you'll learn to cook Ayurveda's simple yet profoundly healing detox dish and enjoy a delicious and traditional 3-course lunch. You'll also be treated to an exclusive pre-screening of my documentary film, The Forgotten Cure, which was shot in India. Places are limited, so to book your ticket to India in a day, go to the link below. No passport required.